Hi guys, today I will show you the customer's factory to see our full automatic board packing system. The system must begin with the vibrating feeder. Big Hopper vibrating feeder keep feeding the board into the conveyor. The conveyor belt is stainless steel. It passes the board to the multi-can waiter. You can set the weight on the touch screen. After the box was filled with board, it will come to the box closing machine. Let's take a closer look. Here is the box filling system. We have an option part here is the weight checker. This is the box closing machine. After the box was packed, we will labeling it. Next part, we will fill the small boxes into the big carton. Close the carton and then seal and strap in it. You can choose the strapping times by yourself. The carton will turn its weight on the roller conveyor. For labeling the carton 2 times. The last part of this packing system is the palletizer. That's all. Thank you for listening. See you next time.